Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add PayPal payment gateway to WooCommerce. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. So on the left side of the screen, you will find WooCommerce and under that you will have settings. Just click on this option. Once you are here, click on payments and here you will see that I have so many payment methods over here, but I don't have any PayPal. And for now, we don't have any PayPal integrated by itself on WooCommerce, but we can use plugin also. On the left side of the menu, go to your plugins and click on add new. Once you are here at the top right corner, search for PayPal WooCommerce. Once you search that, you will end up over here. The first link you would see payment plugins for PayPal WooCommerce. Make sure to go and install and activate it. If you have a WooCommerce also, obviously click on update as well. So I'm going to do that both over here. Once you install the plugin, you will end up over here. You just need to click on cross over here and leave everything as it is. You don't need to change anything. What are you going to do? Go to WooCommerce and click on settings again. And after that, go to payments and scroll down until you see PayPal. And as you can see at the bottom, we have PayPal Gateway by Payment plugins. Just need to enable this and click on save first of all. After that, scroll down again, click on manage and you will end up over here. The last option which you need to do, go to API settings and here you just need to connect your PayPal. You can just click to connect. They will ask for your login ID and password and after that it will be automatically connected and after that just click on save change. That's it. This is all you need to know how to add PayPal payment gateway in WooCommerce. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.